Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Mari, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a DIY Valentine's Day gift. I've actually been seeing this trend like all over TikTok. I don't have the like original maker of this DIY, so if you guys know, comment down below. I would love to know. I've just seen so many different videos on TikTok, so I was like, finally, let me just go and do it. So what we're gonna be doing is pretty much just building like a bouquet of roses with like candy, all with stuff from the dollar store. So yeah, if you guys are interested to see how this DIY turns out, need a gift for your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or you just want to gift it for yourself, whatever it may be, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before I start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Okay guys, so I went to Dollar Tree yesterday because all the stuff that I needed was pretty much sold at Dollar Tree, and there was like more stuff that I had in mind that I saw like the other days, and I was hoping that they still had it, but of course TikTok sells everything out, so I got what I could and hoped that it would work out. And another thing is, I saw a lot of people doing this with like hot glue gun, but I can't find my hot glue gun, so we're gonna use tape and it should work. Hopefully. Okay, so the first thing I grabbed are some flowers, obviously fake flowers. They didn't have any like red roses or pink roses, but they had these cute peachy ones, so I was like, okay, this will do. I grabbed 3 of them just to make sure it looks like super full. On the TikToks that I saw, they had these very cute like hearts on a stick, but they sold out of those, so I couldn't get them. So instead I grabbed these like heart straws, paper straws. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I grabbed them because they were cute and I feel like would somehow fit into this. And then you're gonna need this. This is like the main base of the whole vase, I guess you could say. So yeah, we got this little styrofoam, is what it's called, floral foam. You can find this in the like flower section. And then I got some lollipops, some heart-shaped lollipops from the Valentine's Day section. And then I got another giant lollipop. I feel like this would look super cute in this little DIY, so I grabbed that. And then lastly, I picked up some candy, and make sure they're in this box shape and try to like measure it before you purchase the candy, because I wanted to make sure it fit like on the, I'm gonna call it the vase because that's what basically it is, like the vase, the base of the flower thing. So obviously you're gonna need a wider one here, and then I grabbed like a thinner candy to fit on the ends. So yeah, that is everything that I got. Only $11 for this whole DIY. So if this comes out good, hopefully it does, then it's gonna be pretty cool. Okay, I zoomed you guys out a bit so you guys can see how I'm gonna do everything. So this foam board or foam box comes with like 4 different pieces, so I'm not going to like unwrap it. I'm just gonna keep it in its packaging. Okay, so we're gonna start off with putting the candy around the entire base. So if you have a hot glue gun, go ahead and use it. If not, if you have some tape, they're gonna take it off and open it anyways, so we're just gonna use some tape. This is just some like packing tape from Staples, and I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Roll up the tape and then just put like 3 pieces on the back of the candy. Okay, so we have the tape, 1, 2, 3 pieces, and we're gonna take the wider side of the foam and just push that on like that. Perfect, it's staying on. And then we'll grab a smaller candy. So that was a Sour Patch. Now I'm gonna grab some Milk Duds. Let me know if you guys like Milk Duds. I love Milk Duds, they're so good. Okay, we have the second candy on. You guys see it coming together. And then the next candy I'm using are these Nerds. This one has some like clear packaging on it. I'm just gonna keep it on there. But Dollar Tree comes through with the good candy. Like they don't just have like the cheap dollar store candy. They got the name brands. So don't sleep on Dollar Tree when it comes to some snacks, for sure. Put this on the end. All right, so we have the base, the little vase part all put together. We have some Sour Patch, we have some Milk Duds, some Nerds, and some peanut M&Ms. So bomb. Okay, so we're gonna leave that there. So I guess if you would want to use the hot glue gun, it would be a little better because it's kind of like wobbly, but just gonna be like standing on like a table or something, so it does not look bad at all. So now I'm gonna go into the flowers and just cut off the tag. I like this DIY, or like just doing DIY gifts in general, especially for Valentine's Day, because they're more thoughtful than just getting like a teddy bear or like just getting some chocolates, you know. Like making this, even though it's like from the dollar store, just shows like the effort, you know. Okay, so we took the tag off and it has like a pointy piece already, so I'm just kind of gonna stab it through. We'll just go in the center, stab it all the way through, like, as far as you can. I don't know how deep it could go. Okay, so there's one. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the other two, and I'm probably gonna put one back here. Anywhere to make it look full, you know. And then just kind of move them around, make it look more filled. I probably could have got one more flower thing, but it's okay. If I wasn't like a content creator, I'd probably be selling like DIY stuff like this, because people are super crafty and make pretty good money off of like chocolate dipped strawberries or just making like different things. So if YouTube doesn't ever go well, then I'll probably be doing that. This is what it's looking like so far. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so now I'm gonna open up the lollipops and add those in. So this pack comes with 6 heart-shaped lollipops, and they're actually like on long stems too. Fill it in like wherever I feel like needs some filler. So you got one there. Put some leaves down if you have to. And put some poking out on the ends. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. We have the flowers, we have the heart-shaped lollipops, and obviously all the candy around it. I'm debating if I want to add this in there, maybe in the center. Like, oh, we could probably put it in the center like that. Yeah? Okay, let's see. So I kind of just put the circle lollipop in the center. I wish it was a longer stem. I was thinking like of having it in the center and then gluing a picture of whoever, or like a cute little love note. But obviously I don't know who I'm gonna give this to yet, so I'm not gonna glue that, but that would be a good idea. You guys see how it's popping out right here? Maybe a cute little Valentine card, or just like a picture of you and your loved one. That would look super cute. And then I don't know if I'm gonna add these straws. I think I'm gonna keep it like this because this is looking super cute. Yeah, this is pretty much it, you guys. Literally super quick. Anyone can do this, and I am obsessed on how this came out. Like, a cute little DIY. Why did I not think of this like in high school or something, you know? Super cute gift and super cheap. You don't always have to go all out, you know, for some gifts. It's the thought that counts. So this is the completed Dollar Tree DIY, you guys. I highly recommend you guys do this. Super easy to make. Literally anyone can do it. Just get a foam board, tape on, not even glue, tape on some candy, and just plop whatever you want to add in there. There's so much more stuff you can add, like some ribbon, get crafty with it, add some pictures, but this is just like a basic overall version of it, and I am obsessed on how it came out. Super freaking cute. Again, only like how much did I say? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like $10 or $11 depending on how much stuff you add to it. You can even wrap it up in some like clear packaging to make it look like a more fancy, what's it called? Like, you know when you buy like gift baskets and they're wrapped up with ribbon? You can even wrap it up, but this is perfect. I'm hella just like gassing myself up, but it came out so good. I love it. So yeah, guys, that is all for today's Valentine's Day DIY gift. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment down below what you like to see in the future. Please subscribe, stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.